Welcome to our fascinating exploration of one of the ocean's most unique inhabitants, the seahorse. Get ready for 40 amazing facts that'll blow your mind.
Seahorses are small marine fish, belonging to the genus Hippocampus, which means horse in Greek. There are about 46 different species of seahorses found in shallow tropical and temperate waters.
Unlike most fish, seahorses swim upright rather than flat.
Seahorses are poor swimmers and rely on their dorsal fins to propel them at a speed of about 5 feet per hour. Their prehensile tail is used for anchoring to corals, sea grasses, and other objects.
Seahorses do not have scales like most fish. Instead, they have a thin skin stretched over a series of bony plates arranged in rings.
They have eyes that can move independently, allowing them to scan their surroundings for food and predators at the same time.
Seahorses primarily feed on small crustaceans like shrimp, and can consume up to 3,000 brine shrimp in a single day.
They use their long snouts to suck in food, much like a vacuum cleaner. Seahorses lack teeth and a stomach, so they have to eat almost constantly to stay alive.
Males are the ones who become pregnant in the seahorse world, carrying the fertilized eggs in a pouch on their belly.
The male seahorse's pouch can incubate anywhere from 5 to over 1,000 eggs, depending on the species.
During courtship, seahorses engage in a beautiful dance, which can last for several days and involves color changes and synchronized swimming.
Seahorses mate for life in many species, showing unique fidelity to their partners.
They can camouflage themselves by changing color to blend in with their surroundings, helping them avoid predators.
The seahorse's closest relatives include the pipefishes, among other members of the family Syngnathidae.
Seahorses have excellent camouflage capabilities. Some can even grow skin filaments to better blend into their environment.
Their anatomy allows for many small but rapid movements, thanks to the precise control of their small dorsal and pectoral fins.
Seahorses are one of the only creatures where males become pregnant and deliver young.
Seahorses often practice monogamy, which is quite rare among fish. The bony structure of the seahorse doesn't protect them from becoming food. Larger fish, such as tuna and dolphins, often consume them.
Seahorses are a symbol of good luck in many cultures, often associated with good fortune and a guardian for lost souls of sailors.
They can rotate their eyes independently, giving them a wide field of vision without moving their bodies.
Seahorses use their tails to cling onto coral reefs, sea grasses, and anything else stationary that can keep them from being swept away by the current.
A baby seahorse, or fry, is entirely independent immediately after being released from the male's pouch. Sadly, only about 0.5% of baby seahorses survive to adulthood due to predation.
Seahorses have a unique ability to mimic the colors and textures of their surroundings for protection.
The seahorse's peculiar shape and bony structure make them less attractive prey for some marine predators.
They produce more eyesight cells, called rods and cones, per area of retina than humans, aiding their hunting ability.
Researchers have recently discovered that seahorses have a highly efficient way of catching prey. The seahorse genome is unusual among vertebrates. It has lost the gene for the protein that gives most fish their characteristic scales. Seahorses breathe through gills, like other fish, but lack a caudal fin, the tail fin that most fish use for propulsion. Some seahorses can bend and unbend rapidly to strike at their prey, showcasing a unique hunting method.
The lifespan of a seahorse ranges from about 1 to 5 years, depending on the species.
Seahorses communicate with each other by producing clicking sounds during feeding and courtship.
In Chinese traditional medicine, seahorses are thought to have therapeutic properties, but this has led to overfishing.
Various conservation efforts are in place to protect seahorses, including breeding programs and protected marine areas.
The IUCN Red List includes many species of seahorses, with some listed as vulnerable due to overfishing and habitat loss.
Seahorses are often found in coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds, fighting to survive amid changing ocean conditions.
And there you have it. 40 incredible facts about the mesmerizing seahorse. Thanks for joining us in uncovering the hidden wonders of these tiny sea marvels. Until next time, stay curious.